Hey, I'm Lucy with Rossmönster Vans, and today I want to show you around this Sprinter 144 that we just wrapped up. This is on a gas Sprinter, so not diesel, unlike much of our other Sprinters. Some exterior highlights before we hop inside. We have a Fiamma awning up top. We have the Aluminess Nerf bar here with tread plates, so for a little bit easier to get in and out of the vehicle. And on the other side of the rig, we're going to have an Aluminess ladder so that we can hop up top and check on the solar at any point. Let's step inside. So as we're walking inside, you'll see that we have our flip down exterior happy hour table here. So this is going to be made of birch. It's a great place to just hang out, work outside, anything like that. As we step all the way in, I'll just go through some of the design features and the overall layout, and then we can go into each of the individual components as we go. All right, welcome inside. So some design features of this rig, we have maple slab door cabinetry throughout. We have spalted maple flooring down the center of the van. We have pine tongue and groove ceiling up top with a clear coat finish. And then we're going to have birch butcher block countertops. So when it comes to layout, we're just going to start in the front and work our way back. On the driver's side here, we'll start with the shower and bathroom. So in here we have our dry flush toilet. This can be taken out of the van, charged up, and used outside or inside, whatever they want to do with it. And then we have our shower. So this is going to be 24 by 36, brushed aluminum walls, and then you have a Nautilus shower curtain that is retractable and self-cleaning as it goes in. That'll keep all of the water inside here. And then lastly, we have a custom teak shower grate, so it won't be slippy in there, and it looks nice too. Moving a little bit further back on the passenger side, we have our galley area. So here again, we have that birch butcher block countertop. We have a 20-inch flip up countertop extension. We have a 15 by 20 Ruvati workstation sink. And then under it, we just have our 2.3 cubic foot isotherm door style fridge. Also in the galley area, you can find uppers for a little bit more storage. These are all going to be on gas struts for soft opening and closing, and we're going to have our V-latches to ensure that everything stays nice and sturdy while we are in transit. Also on the driver's side, we just have a nice shelving unit, so mini closet over here that'll be good for some additional storage. Coming back a little bit further, we have what is our dinette unit and where our bed is going to go. So this van is currently waiting on cushions. They'll come soon. But for right now, we just have some nice bench seat on both sides. This is where we're going to store our water cabinet and our power cabinet. Underneath this cabinet on the passenger side, we have a safe, a nice little storage compartment for that. And then when you're ready to go to bed at night, you just flip this guy over, and there you have a full bed platform. All of the cushions will come back from the wall and make a full, roughly queen size bed area back here. Additionally, in this area, we have our lagoon mount for our table. That's being stored up front right now. And then we just have a little bit more storage on the driver's side uppers. Lastly, on both sides of the bed, we're going to have these USB reading lights. So great for charging the phones, but also for reading late at night when you don't want to turn all of the van lights on. So when it comes to ventilation in this van, we have a full panel window up front in the galley area. And then moving a little bit further back, we have some motion quarter panel windows. These have a nice slide on them, bug screen, so you can get some nice airflow back here. And then some windows in the back for more natural light. Additionally, up top over the galley area and the bathroom area, we have a max air fan. And then all the way in the back here, we have a Dometic Penguin AC unit. Speaking of AC and heating and cooling, this van also has a Rixen hydronic heat and hot water system. So that is going to ensure that this rig stays nice and warm in those cooler months. So while we are over on the driver's side, this is going to be our water cabinet. And here we have a 30-gallon fresh water tank and a Rixen hydronic heat and hot water system. And then moving over to the passenger side, I have to step out of the way. We have our power cabinet. So in here we have 800 amp hours of lithium battery bank. We have a 3,000 watt inverter, and we're going to have 200 watts of solar coming in through there. let's step around back and just close this one out. All right, welcome to the back of the vehicle. Back here, you're gonna find an exterior shower that will also be pulling from that Rixen, so you'll have hot water back here. We have a nice little compartment for more storage. That's also part of that dinette unit. And then you'll also notice we have these RB components, bug screens. These are gonna be at the rear door and the sliding door. And we also have the RB components soft partition in the front of the van that separates the riding area from the actual living area. So that wraps up this van tour. My name's Lucy with Rossmönster Vans. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a van tour. Hope you have a great rest of your day.